first link, can we take it slow? I be running out the back by the time they at the door. How you go behind my back? You supposed to be my bro. Fuck this bitch last night, but that's why I didn't know. He throw her on my name, they didn't know that I would grow. Take it.
Okay, what the hell is going on, man?
You like my entrance?
Yeah, I was like, who the f pulling up? Hey, hold on here. Let's get the.
Okay, from no cats, or from cats to no cats.
That sounds good.
That does sound good.
Hey, that's how we're gonna kick off the competition, man. Yeah, hold on. Let's get the welder out of the way. You see that welder right there?
Oh yeah.
They gave it to us.
I've used those. That's the one I had before.
Thing worked great.
Yeah.
We're gonna be baptizing the new burnout Lincoln. This is the only way to do it. This is the only way to bring life to a burnout car. You gotta baptize it with some smoke, and what better burnout smoke than from the HoonMerc. So it's gonna be a good baptism for the old HavoK Lincoln town car.
Trip to get the drugs, every time it's for the low. Says he wants some new shoes, what that's all she care about. Brody rolled the window down when it's time to air it out. Put his homies on and he only did it for the cloud. We both in the field, but I had to take a different route. Molly some dough right on the lip, but then I'm getting out. You say you ballin', but out the game you setting out. If I ain't got a mill, there's nothing to get lit about. I know it's harder to succeed when you me to grow. Lately I've been ballin', I think it's time to go pro. Smoking rose, I hold the toe. Crackers call me with the pole. Can he be the one I call when I got nowhere else to go? Make you fall in love with sight, said I had her at hello. When you say that it's so sight, I expect for you to blow. Just be happy that I gave, why you asking me for more? Tell me what's on your mind, stop expecting me to know. And he only came around cause you know that I would blow. That's my life, you a pro. Pulling out the quickie, I'ma shoot it up for show. Since he got to fight the game, if you keep it on the low. She fucked me on the first, that's why I knew she was a hoe. Taking all these drugs, I be thinking my PO. Looking for the ops, feeling like I'm G.I. Joe. When I'm not around, she gon' try to fuck my bro. Oh no, I just left the bank, but I think I need some more. Tryna put me on the first link, can we take it slow? I be running out the back, by the time they at the door. How you go behind my back, you supposed to be my bro. Fuck this bitch last night, but that's why I didn't know. He throw her on my name, they ain't know that I would grow. Take a trip to get the drugs, every time it's for the low. Can you be the one to call when